Yo! Woo! Yeah, I might have say these games, say the game titles, and tell a story about my experience experimenting the game. Alright. Operation World Returns First Mission. Alright, so this game is just like, how should I say this? How should I put this? It's just like Area 51 for the PS1. For real. When I'm playing this game, this right here, I feel alive. I will never talk bad about this game. That's how bad I like this game. That's how bad I love the game. So what I do, what I say, hold up. Pros get 2% back in rewards. I don't want that. I want to keep the game. RS 15, whatever that means. And this game is rated T for teen. Microids. Tato. Hopefully I'm saying it right. But yeah, I be shooting my enemies like, whoa, dang. Where have you been on my life, game? Where have you been on my life, PS4 game? I'm saying, like, I also like the graphics in this game. This game is a beast. So I give this game 100 and point 10. Outriders for the PS4. And this game was $3.99 plus tax at GameStop. And thank God I got this in time because somebody else would have bought the game too. But this is what it looks like. And this was the last copy of the game. It's a PS4. It's like 15 years old. Or maybe like 10 years old, I think. But I still play it. I don't even have a PS5. Matter of fact, I don't even have a PS3. I'm sticking to the PS4 Outriders game. It's a shooting game. First person, second person, third person shooter game. I'm feeling this game. You know what I'm saying? Hell's Rangers. Quicksell or Quixel. Square. Phoenix, pre-owned. Yeah, I get this game a 21. This game is beast. It's awesome. Alright, this game right here I don't have installed, and it's called World Quiz. I uninstalled it because I didn't have enough space to install a game I want to play. So now I get to play the other games I want to play because I just installed this game. I just uninstalled this game. I didn't really like this game. This game is horrible. I'm not good at like multiple choices. I am horrible at multiple choices. I really am. But yeah, yo, I get this game a 1. Not even a 1.5. Just a 1. It would be great. I would give it a 10 if I knew how to play this game, if I was like really good at answering questions, multiple choices and stuff. But I'm not good at stuff like that. So I will not be playing this game for the PS4. Alright, I hope y'all like this vlog. And if y'all did, please comment, rate, and subscribe. And peace, one love, and I'm out. Hey, I'm more like so into the game. Playing the game for like 3 weeks straight. I'm playing the game. Locked in for 3 months. And I'm like, dang. No, that's what I call gaming.